Now I'm starting this channel because I thought it would be a really cool idea to document my success and my failures in starting a home garden. There is a little bit of a caveat to this video and to the rest of my videos in the fact that I am very inexperienced in gardening. Now that doesn't mean that I don't know how to grow things. It doesn't mean that I don't have a little bit of a green thumb, because I have grown a lot of plants and I've grown some vegetables in some buckets and I've had really good success. But I've just never had the opportunity to actually have a decent sized piece of land to grow a garden. And now I do. So I'm hoping, with a little help from you guys giving me some comments and a little help of some research and trial and error, together we will learn how to grow some vegetables in a garden with success. Now, because of all these reasons and that I'm not a professional, we're going to call this channel Growing Baloney.